umurego wa TV Sto Murunzi nakutanjera osibire kurunji ishaha zaba ibiri zecuru neshahi y'amakuru gita gacencwire kandi ninjaga hosseho obutuno kurugaha kashozi boma mu rembo urwambaro ragakusende Elias ritugusa erizoba nizoba ry'urwa kana nebiri 11 ebyukwezi kwa mukaga umwaka ugw'inkumibiri makumyabiri na mukaga kandi embarira yihanga ya trillion 94 nabwe yashomwa erizoba nemwe ebiriyo makuru gitu reka tworeke byija bwebembire rero nabwanyuma nguseho ebirukiraho
emitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love. Mugacencire kireki imbarira yihanga y'umwaka gw'ebyesento gw'inkumibirabiri na mukaga inkumibirabiri na mushanju amarwa hamwe na shukari byayongerwaho umushoro. Abaturo ku rugombyaro benani barara batabyami omuntu aresire cyapa ecyaro kuryetero muri cegegwa
o myaka giyona turi hano isito bafwa otakayijaga kukabuzitaka
ibyo kucingo mahanda gwambarishaka aba Ministry of Works babitahamu
neza kwa umubwire butari bwahare omwezi gumwe nsakwa twamazire
emitwe y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Nyongera kutanjera umakuru gitu agacencwire kandi uragakusiho ndi Elias ritugusembarira yihanga iyo mwaka gw'ebyesente ugw'inkumibiri na mukaga inkumibiri na mushanju ya trillion 94 yashomwa ihangwe ry'erizoba ahacayi kororo muri Kampala omumbarire yashomwa Minister umusi w'ebyesente na nokutekatekeri hanga Henry Musasizi ibyo kwirinda ebyentambara ebyo bwegese nangwa na nebyamagara ne bimwe ahabyatwara sente nyingi Arisha munana zihangwe President Yoweri Museveni nubwo yakaca ikororo muri Kampala ahakushomemba yihanga iyo mwaka gw'ebyesente gw'inkumibirabiri na mukaga inkumibirabiri na mushanju ya trillion 94 omumbarire yashomwa Minister Henry Musasizi ebyo kwerinda nibyo byatwara sente nyingi trillion 10 hamwe na billion 200 ebyentambura batamo trillion 8 hamwe na billion 9 kandi byamagara batamo trillion 5 hamwe na billion 20 ebyo bwegese batamo trillion 6 hamwe na billion 6 kandi harigezi harimo kutungura umutindo gwabo n'abashomo primary hamwe na secondary billion 5.8 hamwe na million 5.5 nezo kongera imishara y'abashomesa ba primary schools hamwe n'aba arts mu secondary na no matendekeraga by'emikono ebindi trillion 1 bagitaho okusyamiza marunjo mu bantu kandi trillion 1 hamwe na billion 800 zazo mu science technology hamwe na nokuhanga trillion 2 hamwe na billion 9 bazito mu program zo kurwana soboro ezirimo imyuga PDM hamwe na nebindi trillion 9 hamwe na billion rushanjo 9 nezo kushashura imishara y'abakozi ba government bemwe habintu ebyayongerwaho umushoro haruma marwa kandi bagongeraho umushoro gwa 18 okuruga harishingira 10 rushanju okuzaha 35 boruta yamarwa amajitaga ibyiruka boruta bajongeraho umushoro gwa shiringi 5 kandi amajita gukusitsa ninga cooking oil nayo bayongeraho shiringi 2 okuruga harishiringi 2 hati okuzahari shiringi bina boruta okuhanditsa pichipichensia nazo mushoro gwayongera okuruga hamitwaro 20 okuzaha mitwaro 50 akashaho ka siminti kayongeraho umushoro gwa 5 okuruga hari shiringi 5 okuzaha rushanjo 5 shukari nayo buri kilo bajongeraho umushoro gwa shiringi 100 kandi hato buri kilo ya shukari neshashoro rwo mushoro gwa shiringi 2 abakapapura ninga shibe setting umushoro gwayiyongera okuraga habucweka 20 harigana okuzahabucweka 30 harigana ubwe sente zo kuhangura. President Museveni omukugamba kwe yashaba abanyishenjero okurebuza sente zatibwo mu mbarira na no kureba ngo zakozesebwa je.
All the leaders, certainly all the ministers, must take the lead in checking parish by parish what is happening, to make sure that all these people stop kukongora, stop cheating us. We work, they don't work. They are there, but they want services. They want medicine, they want education, they want security, but they don't contribute. They're just sitting there in their homes and not engaging in the money economy. So although we have done very well, this very good performance the minister is talking about is by the 67% now.
President Museveni nabwe yarabura abanya-Uganda okongera amani omukurwana s'oburwire bwa Ebola.
Ebola is a very simple disease. It is not like corona, as I said last night. Corona was very dangerous because it was spreading by breathing, which meant that if you sat the other time, I got corona from you people in Chankwanzi. When I took a group photograph with you people without my mask, I got corona. And I was here for 21 days sitting in the house. So corona was really dangerous. It was spreading by breathing. But this Ebola spreads only by contact. And contact, close contact with the sweat, with the vomit if they vomit, with the blood, sexual, kissing, saliva. When the person is already sick, not showing symptoms of sickness. So therefore, really, it can be stopped. We just need to get rid of the carelessness.
Embarira yihanga eyeyonziro kuraga hari trillion nshanju nibiri omwaka gw'ebyesente gw'M2025 hatokuza hari trillion 84 na billion bishatu 91 omwaka gw'ebyesente ogw'2026 ahabwa TV West and Elias Ratugusa. Kare ebyo nebyaba omukushoma embarira yihanga kandi eyeyonzire eya trillion 84. Reka tugumizemo na namakuru abaturo ku rugombyaro bina ebiri kushanga umugombore ya Mgongwe mu district ya Tegegwa no barara batabyami bwanyuma y'umuntu okurete chapa ngwitaka erubaruho arukuryete bweye itaka erukugambwaho nediyengana na nobuhango bwahika rukaga.
Ebyare birumu Chema, Karboya, Chakataha, Kakongorano, echapa ekirukugambwaho kiriyo mu izina lya Nduru kandi kikakorwa omwaka gwa 1994.
Kandi nditi nkagenda Murandisi na Sherura echapa kikaba kiriyo cha private mile etakwa. It is a freehold private mile etakwa. Eryo mazina ga Nduru. Wewe banze kore chapecho yachukora twinsi yakayika ngarukara koka yika yagmanasharaho naguze
abatura nibagira ngo kwihabahurira enshonga ze chapeki bakaburwa obusinge
okutwamazire kufuna ibihandike bikabimeze bagamba ngo bakama bitaka taho kumara imyaka uhati ndibenda kwita kirune mbenda zali ngabo kwa tataha mu gucu bwa mateka amazima abantu twakibagambire bakagiha kukeke abantu abamu batorora kabebembezi nito tubatunzire kandi kunete tene kitumanyika
yowe kazaro kuno wena kagane na nzari bwana kurira hano isenyo wafuye yase nenda nkavuze mukama wa mayirugo
itaka lyanyu bulirye lyo omyaka giyona tulira hano isitwe bafwa otakayijaga kukabuzitaka kandi ni mutundaho bwapa naba kugura tubakayijaga kutugamira ngo twajagura hano inyo mutahanka
cyonka abantu ntweralikira tugendeka tuzalirweho kandi twerira abakazi emisiri yitwero atubaratubinga tugiyenka
bamwe tubire twaronzera kutora abuzire kandi witu twagurize twizire kuno turagura kuno tibaratugambe nyuma yo kindi obu twahura bebembezi bitu batugambira tiba cyatuyamo twahura twaguma
enshongeji ekajemesereza abebembezi okweta oine chapa owamanywanka Patricia Nyakwera muhara w'omugenzi nduru kwija kushoborera abatura ahakikwatirire ne chapa ogunagira ngu we nayenda government emushashuri
kwenda kandi tukunihira kugoza kubabinga kayitaka egiterio tetinyo tekeza yetu wihaho indwe tugamba mu government itake kule hiyo ino gavi ebahe byapa mwikare hayitaka byanyu mwikareho mwine byapa byanyu nuko mukwenda so ito hantu twizire kubabinga aho kwenyone nimugama nimurara mutabyamire tinu kumanye ekirwa tuntusi
emivuye y'amataka esanyarize ebyentubuka bya migongwe abamwe batinere okukora ebyenkurakurana abandi batino okugura amataka muri migongwe kandi abandi amataka bagatemebeye ahabwa okura rumazi zenga nezo
baitu niturora haroha abantu abandi kandi abanyakwine hibyabo ningonza nyetegerezaho ekyapa nikisoboka kwemera hakyapa ekindi.
Retired Colonel Bright Nziramu RDC wa Chegegwa ashabire abatura okwikiriza mukama w'ekyapa kwigura empenda eky'abatura bachakanise.
So cyatuleta mpaha no kubakwatanisa imwe na landlord mukamanya landlord wanyu noha imwe mukamkandi kubisha kuchimanya mwamutigwire empenda kumanya no horya hitaka no hotaka.
Norman Bigrunji mukuru w'entebe ya katano ahabwa Chegegwa nagira ngu obukama bwa toro bukagabira abantu binji amataka omuri Chegegwa bayegendera tibari kugakoresa hata bashikiza obwire bija okuteganisa abatura. Ogu nayenda abine byapa government ebashashure konka batateganise abatura.
Itaka rya Chegegwa district ebitweka bingi muno omu district yenu biri mu katyabaga biri mu kategori nkene mwikirize
ndera omu kugarukamo akaruru ako kutorana chairman ndera omu kugarukamo akaruru ako kutorana chairman wa district ya Chikube bashabire batorane Padek Sembo orije kubaju nabanera abaruko bashabire wa district ya Chikube bashabire batorane Padek Sembo orije kubaju nabanera abaruko bashabire mitware 3 okuza kutunga ndangamuntu.
Bebe mbyurwa mu Jane Arisemera babiha ori commissioner w'agakiko k'ebyobururu mu kigombe cya NRM abembezi b'ekigombe baronzera karuru uko bahirwe bendera y'ekigombe cya NRM omukaruru ko garukamu okutorana chairman wa district ya Chikube Padek Sembo omugombora ya Kyangwari na Kaboya uko abatura bashabere ngo abajuna barukoro mbyenda na Kaboya uko abatura bashabere ngo abajuna barukoro mbyendangamuntu abanira abarukushabere mitware 3 okutunga indangamuntu.
Omuntu yange bagisoma nyaye buri ibara nyabagamba mu bintu bagamba agenda kuri ubanze kugenda mu computer nyagenda mu computer ngateka iki amaiso kionka bagimpa kionka kugenda gimpa ukagwanza bangambe 15 nyabo 15 bagimpa nyauta
no sent mutwaro 15 15 batoke 15 batugamba tutavaza
With the Chikube, we don't have the NIRA office. We still run NIRA office under Hoima, the mother district. So that is also another concern that we need to have this office sitting in the Chikube, where we shall be having full control over the office.
Jane Alisemera Babiha, Commissioner w'akakiiko k'ebyobururu mu kigombe kya NRM, ayekera okukwatwaho ab'okushanga ngu abantu batari kutunga buheereza kandi bushemereire kuba bwabusha.
NIRA officials ba NIRA bangambire nti babayiha emitwalo 3 kandi identity cards zikyaliyo bangire kuzitabara habwokuba hati baine sente emitwalo 3 buli identity card. So nagamba nti ngenda kugambira RDC, ningambira polisi kandi ningenda kuteera na NIRA headquarters so that baije batujune ekizibu kino before 28. And also hona mu Uganda where they are doing this, ntugamba NIRA making sure ebitairemu security nuko abantu batunga identity cards.
Bitutwagamba onorukurra ebyokugaba endangamuntu mu district ya Chikube, Huzaifa Alnaitwe yayihakana ebirikugambwa.
I'm sure it's not happening, but what I'm sure of that we're not doing issuance now. So those are allegations, clients. Things it's free of charge, so that it's known by everyone, free of charge. Yeah, whoever does it may be willingly. Someone can do it willingly, then the other one sees someone saying some money willingly. Someone will think that it's they're charging. So it's not bad. Someone like you issue an high, even someone willingly gives it a 5K or 10K, whatever amount, willingly, but it's not a must that whoever doesn't have, you're not getting it. It's service for free of charge. Registration free, insurance is free. The only thing we pay for is this change of particulars for people who are changing, but then they pay stable in the bank.
Okutwala na chairman wa district ya Chikube nukuza kuba hebiri 18 by'okwezi kwa mukago mwaka ogu kandi abeesimbire na Padek Sembo wa NRM hamwe ne Finecast Manyere w'ekigombe kya National Unity Platform. Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.
Webare Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto murebi witu wa TV Sto Murunzi ni nkusima aho kuturebera hona kandi webare no kutora na kureba TV West turiyo makuru agacencuire konka uncheze mpumureho ningaruka ndukusiya makuru gandi otakaragaho
agarukurataho nagakushyibwaho
Movit All Day Toothpaste meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal.
Ibyo kukinga umuhanda gwambarishaka aba Ministry of Works babitahamu
neza kwa omubwire butari bwahare omwezi gumwe nsakwa twamazire
ahabyo bwegese nibikushyibwaho
Kitagata Farm Institute
twagira umushomo wo kubangura abashija kandi no kubahwera okuba kubasa kushikirizo ubujunanizwa bwabo nkabashija abanye namaka
ukwimisa abashija ngo twena twimuke tukwatanise okombe ko bukama bwa ruhanga abo kandi tumanye ngo umushija ruhanga niwe yahangire dera katuhereza abakazi ngo babahweze bitu mbwe n'abakazi batimuka bakatushangira deri twabashija tukabaje deka twebembere dera abakazi tugende nabo twenda twatanise mu rumo gwa ruhanga gubase gukorwa bagira ngo mwene hati twaza kwatam umukombe kamaka twaza kwatam umukombe ko bukama bwa ruhanga umukwejumbiro mikoro omukoro yekanisa sande twaza kwata
obuhabuzi ahabyo bwegese bw'abantu bukwikibwaho
Kitagata Farm Institute.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MBCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Manager, ogito wagito. Ko kama tumuchidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ achumna na wearing ebyoma. Tugumisize shanki ibiri.
Bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngu okushara keke ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Byo ni shara keke tukaza kunyumba.
Nawo pensi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nikushekere nikuteganisa wenda nigende mbogo yoka. Oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera. Ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Skylight Hotel eresora uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahibaru kwereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex sumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi echenyanja muchamo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho.
Hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha beinunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera notu mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga notu mushanje notu mukaga 36
Shikamba neza kutwara abantu aheru zirinka hikanara. Gachaina
yabatandatine
nogamba ki uriyo protoko gumire nishabo nyambe nyene cene maweki nyenda kukitwara hero banje ngo hari abantu
arekeraho abo kutwara abantu ahera bese Rwanda beta bahezi recruitment expert re bararia Amazon building mwijemba twari
tutware
bito nyeri
ontware ahori kwenda
itwe aba Haze recruitment expert nutuzaguza myaka 10 ombuhereza ubwo kutwara abantu aheru erabambara nsangwa Amazon building not musanzwina not emwe not office zito za Kampala nsangwa rubo wa opposite na Quarte supermarket esumu not musanzu ine mirundena itane mirundena ninga not musanzwina noti emwe 235 mukaga Haze recruitment expert go Haze
go better
kashati wagendo
ebyo kwomeka byongera koroba kankwanjurire ankole Crazy Limited abara kubumbira byo kombekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ebindi bingi kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalore tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo lero bakwinira amatafari ga buli muringo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otebwe partitioning blocks obumori buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii Malta Double Pompeii mwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole Crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri Mbarara omwibumbe rishugeine barakoza technology rispiria eco rabyombecyese cyangane kabendera ya Uganda mashangari mayiro 8 Mbarara Kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga ankole Crazy Limited tugende twombeke
nkazoro mfarati murunji kanda gworobi rosfo nikangara kunkubya mashamera nobwa mutindo rosfo insi yokushemera kwanje
okuraraje nukureto kuhangara no kutekatekaje umugongo takubiyamaje no imukora ukushasha hindure mbyamire yawe no farati gwa rosform rwo farati gwa family buri muringo gwona ogo farati guruho
nahatinye chagare nebire byombisho rosform insi yokushemera kwanje
rosform insi yebiroto birungi
umukoro kutaliko kofi kombucha barena umukoro wawe kabagambi maganga tiriko kofi kombucha ngaturi Buganda kombucha abantu
ne bajja kujja ne mugamba omuwala nga Buganda kombucha agana abantu kumbaga aba Buganda kombucha muleta wano kofi kombucha na Buganda kombucha mbaga bagituziridde bagambe kumbaga tekuli bantu Buganda kofi kombucha
Buganda kombucha kati wasinjiru kumiroka ne Buganda coffee na yali kulukumiroka Buganda kombucha
kurukayo okomu kahumuro twagumizamo na namakuru agishweka chitu cha kabiri aba Ministry of Works erizuba bahumuriza abatura hamwe na nabebembezi abadwebikona kandi babarambuzana n'umuhanda ogwacinjirwe ogwambara okuza ishaka aba Ministry babagambira okubara muno bakora akahanda akebijiri
sibo tupakingire twine muntu utukutwara omuntu kari kwizo kuza kumutwara nondo mwetoroze kuriya omuruguto rwantare
ebyo nibyo bimwe abigambo ebitwireho omuringo kwetombwitera aba Ministry of Works bwanyu kucinga enkuto hati yakweza okwezi kumwe necweka
basa kuchiza kanyoni ngambira minister omusya yes omusya minister Mayanja kurusyayo konka Minister of Works harimo bizo byinshi
tweka kucinga umuhanda akabura kusiga ko bijere bahura cyakukiza mani nakabijire tkaroho ivano wa boda ata abantu kwetora kuriya tungemo buzibu babahina abantu abafutumira batayi babo uko mu rucibera aba bantu bagenze ku diverting umuhanda kugira ngo blocking tubapire kugira ngo abebijere barabaha ninga batuboneze umuhanda urukora kuyorukora abantu
tubaga tuyemuza agameza agakizimbechi amiza agakizimbechi nane byatoyeti byo nebizankahi bitakaba nebizo mu rwizi bitakaba nebizo mu rwizi rwitu ntwenda kusina cyo finding out yes development is very good and we appreciate abokwe kizimbechi kino muri mbara tsirimo konka ebinanka byacho nebizahi
cyo busasi twatunga beji bicu bakatunga butandu barukwije ninga barukutaha ahindi hariho Makerere University Business School hariho Uganda Management Institute hariho Mbara District local government offices so hariho a lot of traffic
abashubuze na munonga abarwe bikona nebiceke byehenwa girango tabakikora
tumukaye takabireho waza crossing a highway road nikirunje munonga ngo obanzo yigure an alternative road
awe bigambo ebinebindi okwetombwita oko kwikire omumato g'ekitongole kya Ministry of Works aba station yambarara obebembiremo Engineer Arnold Ariata babasa kurugayo komringumwe okuhumuriza abataka abashubuzi nabebembezi bambarara City Council
ngo bikona n'urugambarara kuzishaka kilomita 0.5 mu rwego rw'ikono mu town turimo tukora hanuya tukora karvati eri mpango munonga y'obugazi mitazina arisha so jo karvati neza kwa omubwire butari bwahare omwezi gumwe nsaka twamazire abantu batangiye kosora kudu konka kitakakozire iki tukaba twagambira abantu ngo turumunsa ku kingo rukuto akwa gumwareba alternative ketaro okora nkabituwa ni okora abantu okuraba konka ombwire bucenza kwa twamaze
estimate fano kugira ngo bacingira aha as alternative road mahando kuza ishaka ukazibanda n'ahandi za kashari so alternative road ibe mbagamba ngo umuntu aregarwe bukona agende paka bypass abone kugenda kutora kuri aho naye
batimbira aha ikintu kiri mu futi 10 kine alternative yone yebigere bapasa kuzaho
abataka n'abashubuza abantu bashaba akahanda kebigere omwanyugu cyashangwango tikikubasika okulja aba Ministry of Works omhandogo nugukonja kuba gukingiro okumara okundi kwezi kumwe necweka baika na mhanda ogwatiriho okwera okugenda kandi abaraganisa okwija okukoraho omumbwire butari bwahari nko kubinji bene bashaba Nobe byona byakorwa aba Ministry of Works harebuze ibyasigana byebuzibwa na Munonga cyaye kabikwatire na bombeka bw'cyombeko ekikisha amazi cyombekwa hometown ya Rivicona.
Kantu wenda kugaruka kumanya suwa line nebindi ebyo borofa abikuza
TV West wagezaho okwicira engineer wambara City Council nangwa n'aba health inspector okongera kumanya yabevuze basagarukwamo bitu byabe byabusha abwa TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon aho murimbara
kare webare Senyomo Gideon babezi abintu buremo bwamisho batarukweza nibateganisa bwa umukushoma kwabo ecyo bari kugira ngo nekiteganisa eby'ubwegese bwabo aba nubashomera ishomere rya Hombe High School Junior mu district ya Kabare kandi nubateganisibwa na nibura ry'abashomezi.
Ishomero rya Hombe High School rikatandikwa umwaka gwa 1992 bari kugenderera na Munonga abana babishiki hamwe n'abana abatari kureba.
Umuryaba batari kweza niturabanamu twaba turi kubareberera ahabwo kuba nka environment yitu it is a little bit hile nitwetenga nka the walkways if they are told they
bashobora okubine abashomesa babiri bonka ekiri kubagumira okubasa kureberera abeji abari kurengo muri 28
tushangira obuzibu kinji na Munongo mu kutebenkanisa nk'ebizamu byabo kugira ngo nabo bakole bizamu nk'ebyabandi barakora mu class kuza kuhindura ibyo kuta omurulime rwabo ibyo mebi turakozesa imirundi mingi biraba bifwire birahenda Munonga
mezo bari kushitamaho tibuka gasha Munonga n'ubu burabe burimo kandi na mashinizi ibyo mebi bari kukozesa tibinji kandi nibikira kufa Munonga kandi byafa tokafa kurahuka kubona o kubi repairinga
bayoreka okubari kuteganisibwa omukushomesa bejaba batine bimwe omu bintu ebibarukoresa omukwandika hamwe nebindi bayoreka kuba beji batari kureba bari kuteganisibwa omukutambura engendo ndingwa bari kuronda mizi
twikaho mwashanga twine crisis ya mizi obu abeji baratekwa kutambura nka kilomita kuza kutaha amizi aza abana batarahweza baratunga okugumirwa Munonga abo ko muhanda go kuza kutaha mizi hale okwe kibyango himureno
yayongera yashobora ngo bonka bakabare municipality ahibagire kumanya embereji babire bamazere kuhinguza imbarira yabo konkana baza kwandikira aba ministry y'ebyobwegese
ka municipality already twamazere kupasinga budget yitu kandi ibyo byona birebire twamazere kupasinga budget ubundi tukagizire eki twakora konka twatwine kugira ngo twishe twandike nko mu Ministry of Education cyakubasika bakabasa hakuba hariho ene we ukuba ari kubasa kutuyamba iryishomero batuyambe abwo kuba ryo mu mberambe Munonga
bashaba abari kubasa kuyamba bejaba okubakwatiraho no kubirukangirira kibayambe okutungura ebyo bwegese gasha kwa Nelson ahimbisibwe
webare Nelson ahimbisibwe bo abibyo bushoborozi omu district ya Bushenyi nabo bashabira bazire okongera mani no muhimbo ombana babo okurango bashira mu grade za yiguru
Ibyo nabwambirwe nyumwazi ha mushomo go kubangura abazira hamyoga yabo ayishomero rya Cyamuhunga Central Day and Boarding Primary School erukshango muri Cyamuhunga Bushenyi district ayiba bandize no kurambuza wishomero nebyombeke bihereze kombekwa
uje mukora emyakura handi uko neyo mubiye mukora nenya n'ugukunda no kompetema abana bandi muteke mu amani musupporting isomero musupporting musupporting abasomesa neyo abana mu bwego handi bakaba bebantu abongaso kana kuja kunatiki wa mwitirasi government de college ongawezo muri kigo kachikomfaminga chikazo minutes kandi niteka mu minutes naza kuziheza azwara district kugira ngo nabako gakambara mu state house ababagira ngo abazire bacamunga bakagira ngo teka bakasendeka kachi ko kuyamba abana bitu ahabwebera nuki
nsobanura tumwesa mgocho cyabacaho namushongejo oshenerwa no shashora esente ezugwikirizana kushashora umurikiko
azira barabwirwa kurwana sobworo mu makagabo ngwabo kubana bo baretire kizubu rero bakatandika kwekwasa government
ati imanisa abaga ndiyo waye the risk frequencies increasing ubwo utabangu maka nibiyongera wachi abunako abanga kubino babona kega mu magarwano because kwina kyokwaki na abasaita nabo hako umusaita takwenda kuleka mutayino hata ndio kusakali amaandika kuhama because is a man kumanya amemani here why are you directed and why are you amending up here mtupa kange this is scale of proof isn't it yobo sana umusaita wina kubana mako fulani umkazumani mu
azira batakuza mu nkiko kutenseza abana babo rero bakatandika kuhakanise byahinguzwa bazayo nabo bahirwe doze ombwijwire babembezi bishomero rya Kyamunga Central Day and Boarding Primary School banjurira bazire bikozwe na munonga ebyazakanya bwenge kandi babashaba kwerwanura ihari
ati turiyo tuzakumara esande yakangaye yakashatwa wabadumangu oriyo muzire tokalese fizi y'umwana n'uburyo muri yabo abo kuca Kyamunga Central School enteje mweno takalijara wala huwa basi mchitira charambo ngachitano kumara okole eba kwejesa kubitumukora
byambara beji abo kurugare usanga umuzera inumwana kurugare konko bundi ari muto nango bunanda no makunda naye n'ibyayo nanda kumena kura nawe hi so nanda azayisomera some agarake ibintu cyamuranga byakwikiza na neseri kura bintu basi ikumani ukora umuntu gwe
pesa kwita kana kabiwa na kabire nikaruka umusareka kusikarita konka abana ababana kugana abiwa no kugakanso umusana lebe abana bumwe akashia katantira mu bazango ngabakari batoza kuciciriza very sharp everything provided
omwako guhire Kyamunga Central Day and Boarding Primary School niyo asingiro koraje buzo bye Kyamushanju omutawuni council kandi cyageretire yatunga abajungu bo kugiherezo buhwezi obwazakanya bwenge nebindi amakuraga gashakwa Michael atwakire
webare Michael atwakira umurego wito murunji ni kusima abo kutereza kire kawe okureba makuru gita gacencuire kunka reka mpumureho ningaruka na makuru agandi
Gomba ogutebeka nisibwe ba Swift Initiatives Limited omuchayi kache kambarara ufitandika niburu 26 ebyo kwezi kwa mukaga okwisebura bitano ebyo kwezi kwa mushanju omwakogo aha main gate ne 12 zonka no kureba nyamishwa ne 12 zonka abana b'amashomero aha main gate eshiringira 10 kandi kureba nyamishwa nazo ni 10 zonka mungena b'amakorera amahango hamwe n'amace abaza banks telecom companies za companies zikora byo kunywa abahinja abatunyi n'abarisa abari kora byo mikono abari kushubura imyenda enkeito abamabara amahotel n'abari kosa za mucomo amashomero n'amatendekero mwena ni mwetwa nije murebe nyamishwa engabia embarasi uruziramire ubunyankogote maya ugonya nenjeya babuniga abana mwarya face painting swimming pool y'abana bouncing castles rero sakasinse yo murembe egari yo mweka y'abana uri kwenda kubukinga akasimu note mushanju 2 anana mukaga kinana na mukaga.
I'm called Awidi Isabella. I'm studying from Villa Maria School of Nursing. I've won a school fees with the MTN Momo. This school fees you win for a full year, which I'm very happy for it. I thank MTN Momo for helping me in paying my school fees.
We've paid all the fees for the year.
Thank you very much, because on Wednesday, the principal told me, look for my man and bring my man. I told her, me, I don't have money now. You have to wait until I get the money. But when I left our office, at 3, they called me that you've won the money from Momo. I said, how does it happen?
As long as you pay school fees using Momo, you stand a chance to win school fees for a year. Dial *165 *80# to win school fees for a year and more.
You Uganda akaniko kirekawe ko kutambura ukamanya kandi tukegita hamwe omukurwana sendi yambi jada malnutrition ya Guitar Olympic Day Token Run 2026 urwirukoru ruraba ebiro byo kwezi 20 kwa mukaga 2026 omuchaye cya Bushenyi asiyo mto kugira ngo tambura oyeje kandi omanye bya nutrition care yete ndya nungi kijabwawe kwiruka kilometero 5 ikome n'ingabiro nemwe bwanyuma y'igita yanga ryona abwo kwiruka bwendya nungi iki bicyarusha size byonka buri kigere cyo kwiruka nichwera abanyayuganda biriki abakero bato abariyembete bekadso rugendo rwabo orwo kuzomudaka 2026 okweta bo mu rwirukoru shashore mutware 3 necyo kayonka bakwereze running kit yani sari olympictokenrun.com Olympic Token Run eshagikirwa ba Toke the presidential initiative on banana industry development jade PBD ekwata nisena Uganda Olympic Committee yirukabwe ndya nungi oyirukabwo kunda Uganda kumanyeri kutira uterese meji ningo za WhatsApp note musanzu 82 note 932 ninga note musanzu yina ananyita note emwe 25 omwirukanje mukuru naza kubari his excellency yowereka kutamuseveni president wiyanga yitu ya Uganda kandi tugayereze kurahira no musiyasya
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire Joshua. Honey, mwana muwe. Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Kare kuruka yuko mukahumuro katugumizemo na namakuru agacencuire agishwika citu ca kashatu abahangombya science borekiro kwerarukera ahabwo mwikagwa methano gurukuruga omatungo na mnongente okugira okuba ogwakabakahango ahakushisha ebyo bahangwa abanango batungwizeho na nehuru egenderiro kumaraho mwikogu na no kwimusya omutindo go kuri sagente zamate hamwe na nente zenyama
okuchondoza okwakozerwa ekitongole ky'ebyobuhangwa ekya Global Emissions njoreka ngu omwika gwa methane ogurukuruga omumatungo nkente n'ogwakabikahango omukushisha ebyobuhangwa n'obw'abantu ba bulijo batakegesibwe kurungi okuba kubasa kurisagye amatungo gabo batarakushisha ebyobuhangwa.
Methane greenhouse methane emissions etuireho kandi eresera kabikahango ahamagara gamatungo hamwe n'obutonde wensi kandi hamwe na itwe abantu abo kutura mu myanya ejo haresire habo empinduka ya season omubwire kushanga ntiterwa umushana kumara ubwire buringwa hagiremo ibindi nk'indwara zikubaho abo naho twita those diseases staratiriho munonga konkati nzigumana zibikaringa kandi tunkumura yistoka twine indwara nka Clostridium eri kuretwa kuruga umuyitaka bwa nyuma yente kurira ningashikurira umfamu itinde bunyansi bwinshi so zabana ziriya zikuwe bunyansi hamwe na nitaka ushanga zaburya then digestinga those spores and eventually ziretera twatunga ubuzubu umagara g'amatungo.
Livestock is very important to each of us, whether you have it or not. There is a way you benefit. So when WWF come here, they help us continue grazing because others want to stop us. But the moment they stop us, then our lives might also stop.
Eki kitumire abarukushagika akatare k'enyama okutinisiriza okwemereza obuhwezi ahari Uganda abarisa baba batatungire ebinyansi birukumara by'amatungo gabo.
Abarisa bine problem yo kushanga ngo ombwire gumushana nibabura mizi nibarisa zahare nibarisa kiro nibarisa umwazyo so nitekatika ngwizi intervention itoza kutunga ku byo project egi niza kuheraho ningashikwatiraho abarisa bitu iteka district kisingiro kurenga twagira technologies ningashtwagira innovations ezirayamba abarisa gukora imirimo yabo.
Aha nshongeji government ekwatanise n'ekitongore cyo kurinda ebyobuhangwa ekya World Wide Fund for Nature okubasa kutongozaho ehururu yo kutaho emiringo eiba kutandika okurisaje ente zitari kushohoza omwika ogurukushisha ebyobuhangwa.
So let me take this opportunity to launch the project.
Kutunga ente no kuhinga nibyo bintu bimwe ebirasha ebyobuhangwa byitu ningashi climate change. So the project eza kubara kora habikwatira no kutunga ente turaba mu research no kuraba mu na implementation kureba ngo twatahe nkora iyo gukoresha amagezi y'abantu ba burijo ningashi indigenous knowledge hamwe na science kureba ngo twatahe nkora ningashi digital tools izirabasa kongera obunyasi hamwe no kongera productivity mu kutunga ente z'abantu bitu ba burijo.
Okurigirira Ivan Tumuhimbise arukurura ekitongore eki nagira ngu ehureji bagitandikire omu districts nka Kasese na Isingiro na Munonga hamyanye rukwatana n'amarindiro g'enyamishwa nka Lake Mburo hamwe na Queen Elizabeth National Park.
Amagomborora garatana na protected areas ningashi enyendindiro yemisha zitu ningashi wildlife. Akwa mu research atwereka ngo abantu bitu bara recent baratikana na protected areas barashanga obuzibu okuba basa kurwanisa burwire ningashi zoonotic diseases hamwe no kuba basa kubona obunyasi oburamara kugira ngo ente zabo zibehoje kandi n'inyamisha nazo zirindweje hataragira inyamisho zirasha amatungo y'abantu ba burijo ningashi ente nazo zaza ninga n'imbuzi ziraza kurira ubunyasi bwo mu national parks.
Ehureji eibaye ta time to graze neyo kumara emyaka 3 kandi barirwe okumaraho emitwaro 88 omusente za dora n'obushagi okurwa mu kitongore cya Global Methane Hub hamwe na WWF USA. Nde Michael Tumwakire abwa TV West agacenchwire.
Webare Michael Tumwakire bwe obukama bwa toro butandikire okureba mu cyandiko ekirahwero mu kurwanisa butabanguko bwo maka agarukushangwa mu bukama bwabo bwa toro ecyandiko eki nikiza kuba nichwera abakuru mu bukama okumanye bine kuratara babanu bagonjore nshonga ezo butabanguko bwo maka nangwa na nibindi.
Harriet Nyakake oyo muhwezi wa mushikuru habwo bukama bwa toro kandi uri minister w'ekikora cy'abantu nagira ngo cyandiko cyo kurwanisa ubutabanguko mu maka ahabwo bukama bwa toro kino mugashugamani okureba ngo abakazi n'abana batunga uburinganiza
tumanyira kino bandiko nka government mu court n'ebindi na police cyo nayo nk'abantu abemerwa abo bukama bono bwa toro bagamba tuyeye ecyandiko rundi ebintu kurorahamirwa yitu katoro kokweri tubumbe abantu beitu.
Nyakake harikugambe bino bwabina bwana habakuru kurwa mu bukama bwa toro abarukora hanshonga z'amaka abana n'abakazi mu district za toro abakuru kurwa mu office yo muhoreza wa government hamwe n'abandi
cyaro mukama nakuroremo kandi twongere arore nambe cyahika bataliza kimusangisa mu rukorato kurukama bwa toro umukama gwaramara kuroramu twale mu rukorato kurukama bwa toro turole biki urukorato no rugambaki obaramara kurora bene aho no tuja kurora nkugamba ngo hati icyandiko kimikikire umukama atekeho mukono kitandike kugenda mu bulika y'umuntu
okoro mu rumogu bukama bukwatanise n'aba International Justice Mission Emmanuel Emom orukora nka program partnership specialist har IJM nagira ngo ikikozwe okongera emiringo aha bakazi n'abana bine kumwa ku rugombo tabanguko.
What we experience today, we believe that once we have gender guidelines called out by the kingdom, they will be launched they will be disseminated. Dissemination will imply that the messages that are calling on how families relate well, how we deal with aspects of conflicts in our society, how we deal with aspects of family relations, protection of aspects of children, if this reaches to the lowest grassroots and people are trained, people are oriented on what the kingdom holds.
Chanjirunga hamishango 10 y'ubutabanko abakaze rukorwa emishango mishanji yona netwa rumu mbugaza muteka. Jami Kakunguru orukora nka senior probation officer aba district ya Kabarore na jango mu district eji embereri hihi no kucira na hagumaramuzi.
Twine abantu nirekwasangwa abobunaku no sangoli na tram kugenda heru kuserefaye but niterera abakyara heru oku no turaba tutungire sente zamani muno kugera abaseja baitu yavurenywe ekayetu tugiteke mu kitinisa habokuba abana baitu mukukura nibetaga daddy kandi na mami habokuba alhebite bakwega kuruga mu museja kandi bakwega kuruga mu mukazi ebyatasa kwega kuruga mu aside yendi
okutuntuzibwa kw'abashije mu maka naka kugambirwa
kandi bwingi habokuba tasa kwahokiro otatungira muntu akujya ku reporting of tawanko maka eto tucyarora ngo abakyara mostly nibo ba kirayo ku reporting emsange n'ukunyegera emsange kujya mu office zaitu agonza aliyo ngo nabaseja nabali abakubonabona mu makoko eto bakeine mu butini bwo kujya ku reportinga abokuba obutwantu bakaguza nibagamba ngo kujya mu office yoku itantumanya ngo ezo office ziba zabakyara bonka na abana no ba reporting kandi tuguma tubaterera ngo beije nawo tubayamba abokuba offices za buli omuntu mutangira kasitabe kizibu kanahura ngo enkoreye makomu temukolira kurungi nko kusemerire.
Report yo mwaka 2024 yamanyurenga National Baseline Report okurwa mu IJM Uganda ekashanga ngo abakazi mukaga hari 10 bakaba bashiruho butabanko mu magara gabo kandi abana mukaga hari 10 bakaba batwirwa mu bikorwa y'umbonano amyaka 8 kugarura higuru. Gashoka Jonan Singwire.
Webare Jonan Singwire kangaruke mpumure ukacene ngaruka namakuru agivye mzano.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
And that's it for today. Till the next episode.
Omuliro nguwulira mulimbo mutima kukankana like drums. Kalakata, kalakata, enendungu eyakusabula. We gonna do free your fire, free your fire, free your fire.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
kare mu makuru agebye mizano team ya district ya Mitoma etandikireje empaka ezekikope cha Ankole Cup 2026 bwanyuma yo kusinga Bohweju na gole mwe aharubusha omuzano guzanirwa cha Ruhinda SS.
Omuzano gwa hagati ya Mitoma na Bohweju gushikirwe habebembezi okurwa mu district zombi n'abahagiza borekero bushaji bwa za team zabo. Mitome bireryomuka niye tungiro businguzi ero kugutura Bohweju gore mwe harubusha bwanyuma yo kwerwaho muzana Andrew Basena otungire n'ekirabo cy'imitwaro 50 ku rugo wa MP wa Ruhinda Faus.
Ankole Cup Mitoma yanezana na Bohweju mwene cyaba cyatokota kitafundikire
ogwo mupira kutukuzana echo kubanza no kwenda ngutumanyane tugumeho tugume twina abantu bankore komanye ngo haro kumanya nabo ko mupira n'ekintu kimwe abisigire
empakeza nazigaruka mu izobe rya Nyenchakare no muzano gumwe ahagati ya Rwampara erukutayisa timu yesingiro district omuzano gurazana rwo muri Chenoni omugandi nko muringo gumwe go kutungura by'emizano mu matendekero ga za university akacika karkwebembere by'emizano mu matendekeraga aka awus kahaburgo kuhindura mu nkora yemirimo yako ekirahwero kutungura entaranta zabeji hamwe n'eby'emizano mu matendekero ebyagambwo mu mushomo gwebiro bibiri ogwatandkwera izoba ogutebekanisibwa hitendekere ryambaro University of Science and Technology omuri Kihumuro kandi nugwije kuhendera izobe rya Nyenchakare
n'omushomo gwa gw'ebyemizano gwa university kandi ogwo murundi gwa mushanya nkamba university twashemererwa kureba ngu twayakira ba representatives wa different universities ku rugo mu Uganda zona kwijaha tutensa abintu yo kurakurana emizano mu university.
Twebwe ebembezi b'emizano mu university za Uganda nitukwataho munonga kuja we come together share knowledge especially through the forums nkaspeakaho kubanza kuyayagambira about governance nikuyambaho kuja niwagaruka institution yawe ahabe hataterizo hateleze
and we discuss matters or areas that we feel we need to give more support for to develop further in house.
Ndi Edwin Ram na Ben Mhozi ahabwa agacenshuire
kare iyo timu z'amashomero ezirumu Sacred Heart Mushanga, Shema High School, St. John's Nyabwina, Busibo SS hamwe na Nganwa nazo zisingwire ebikopo mu mpaka z'emizano y'amashomero ga senior eza Ball Games 2 ahabwa district ya Shema.
Emzaneje ya Ball Games 2 ahabwa amashomero ga senior muri Shema timu zibiri nizihayanira omizanero mo kubaka handball, volleyball, amazana, woodball, ludo, scrabble na chess kandi ejione tebekanisibwe ahishomero rya Busibo Secondary School. Sacred Heart Mushanga basingire ibikopo bishatu echa handball yabojo nabishiki hamwe n'ecyo muzano gwo kubaka Busoba batebekanisa basingire cha woodball ombojo hamwe nabishiki yo St. John's Nyabwina basingwire ibikopo bena ebya rudo yabojo nabishiki hamwe na scrabble yabojo nabishiki kandi yonganwa high school esingire cha dance sport yabojo rero Shema Girls yasinge cha bishiki. Shema High School esingire masheruka nobwo babiri aharizoro okutware cha volleyball yabishiki konko mbojo final hagati ya Kitagata SS na Nganwa neje kuzanwa izobe rindi ahabwo kuburo bwire burkumara.
Congratulations.
emizano egi kugira kuzikora kuruga kugire nyuma tubire tutunga timu zezi gukora kurungi munonga region mbona hati twino wesje ngo timu zezi tuzarabamo ziza gukora ja region ibanga kandi mizano yityo ne yitwa twina mashima twazana nago twagasinga kandi tukatera 2 sets 0 kandi twamanijega kuba ba champions ba under 20 volleyball Shema district kandi inamasiko turaza region ibanda on 24th za performing aje eki cyabaceriye cyo mutano kusanga mutware kukoshatu ekitire kitarukubaho abo kuba mwako gwahwire tukatware kuko bibiri kandi twatwara bishatu kandi for both boys and girls kandi twatwara neshanye tuko
turaje munonga abo kware muka ekikoko cyane tuboru kandi turatsemerere akubanza za kugenda ibanda on board games 2 for regionals kandi twakumari ecyo cyonka twagenda mukana n'ekikoko cya handball both boys and girls twasinga final twaza finals twahitaho batitela 16-15 kwangata tugerezeho mani
Shema High School
bita basingire mpaka omundengo zitari zimwe na zimwe bahirwe bikopo byabo omukujaguza kwa mani gasha kwa Aloysius Byamukama
webare Aloysius Byamukama amakuru agacencwire aho nuho nabasa kugahenderera ko kutakaferwa Bob Zgad aina bahangu nibija kubana bashwijuma embarira yihanga eyo a trillion 8 eyashumira izuba mu program eyenshonga yizuba and Elias litugusa ningwendezo kurara kurunji
Eshaha zabishatu zechiro na when you don't use Momo, you get insulted by strangers. Save yourself from insults. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
Kuchiwaho oyinembogoka ndaba mulungi ayibambe nekolera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
program Kundreva embago yes embago mtano wa priva ngwagambire nyina asito ku speed azanajanga tunyombogo na jinywa na kujangu next week here niza kanywa nkaheze ikindi ningamba mukare niza kunywa sai akombucha nizengaruke inywena kandi type o manyango embogo ninjinyo yotekarebe giskino katekateka ngo nayombirize ninga namaro embogo inokubatsa kuherezo mbiro gwawe ukahora gwabaje chirinjiro kumi akachupa erizo bani nyenda gamba abintu kwa bishobere kandi kora notekateka ngo mbintu byona ubwo muntu rangata kamuhanjire ngo nabasa kora ibintu byona cyora kora cicire abino manyango ubwo muntu taro perzo kushoma kantu a social media ngo warengize myaka insisite change ntibashita ikire kugira ngo buri muntu wenora akore mistake om correcting yes to be mistake yon you are even no correcting because it will be relevant everyone obirebe when uza kubigo no worry because okukura tukumanisa ngo ina majes even fools grow older abakuba nobasa kuba tukiragira ngo aba okukura n'amagezi apana je people abatine magezi kandi abakwasa kusena imyaka igana nabo cyo waba nohereza amagezi chikwendo ukozese imyaka tunyono mareba nkuzire no way ati kokuzire what is your level of education kokuzire okakoma kokuzire okakora cyo mu society no so wano habona bimwobereki because there are people who don't respect your age ukambareba society wise haro echino value chuarese now echo nchimanisa cha ngutwino kwichirizana ngwembaga echo twakweta embaga twino kujetegereza haza hine amaramza gamwe aga chabiremo kugira ngo embaga zwe esatan time no izembaga tizani yes embaga in phases embaga ariho okuterorume ariho kwanjura ariho okujuga ariho okugitwa ariho kora cyane ibintu ebiri involved now arahekitwa kwata omwa abana baza kugitwa bagitwa shahina omukanisa bamara mu shahemwe ninge shahibi the church has ended. That's why Bishop Kakweza ashohora nenko niye aza muryango bajumkwasa atezebishani church yao alom mwaika church yao nubagambira ngo church yao baba gita chao so imwe mukomaho mwagamba basha mwagamba mwaherezo mutsa abana mwabagita they can decide not to make a party babasa kutara kushara mbagende batembenyo nibazo muhane muntu they can decide not to go anywhere they can decide to go home konkare chite chikwenjera habo society echiba kweta party after party ejo party tia church happen kani enda mundebe na kantina chigamba ejo party tia church it is not controlled by church no ejo no party abantu bashemererwa kandi okushemererwa kwabo tukwine limit that's why in Kampala embaga nzitandika shayi 12 mbaba takurga mukanisa tabagito nzitandika shayi 12 mani MC tuzeza sha mukaga izo mpereza kweze embaga sha mushanju necho but by shayi tano tulichini ho ba bishop tuchino ba reverend because bagenda biyamwe bijwaro biza kutahembaga okushemererwa that one has no tine okushemerwa nkoko determining embaga hera akowa yabivamu. That's why Catholics they don't repeat kuba kurugoma omuchurch biza and biza just nibasaba eshara ngufu and they allow people to interact and enjoy mwene chintecho mutandike kuchitekateka ushara zaho kwe kubireba iwe no bireba
okumbireba yaba ni kukibulo
oyine mbogoka ndaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
abeka y'omugenzi ndi yakikakyosamu ababumbirigara n'obusaasi bwingi nibabikishe